Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can access a ambient or background noise generator from your web browser. So here we go. You can open your browser and access Asoft Murmur, asoftmurmur.com. So this is the ambient sounds to wash away distraction. So this app, this site designed to help you relax. So for example, of course you can download this app on the App Store, and also you can get it on Google Play. So here you can try to set the timer on the mixes, and you can share. And here we go. When Mendel is active, the volume of each active sound whether up and down at random, or you can delete if you're messing up, or go back or reset. Here you can hear the sound of rain. Just click to play, and you will hear the sound of rain. And if you turn on the thunder, you will hear the thunder. You can turn off or you can turn on waves to create ambient sound from a seaside, for example. You can turn off the rain, waves and wind, or you want to turn on the birds and wind. Or crickets, yeah. And of course this singing bowl. If you want more sound, you have to upgrade for access 15 extra web sounds. You will also get access to any new web sounds released in the future. So this is how you can mute it, and you can adjust the volume. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.